Hello YouTube. Today I have a Dell Inspiron 5555. Um, and if you don't know what model is your computer, but you know the brand, so you can find a service tag right here, and a number with its letters and numbers. So you go to the website and you type it. In this case, I didn't know the model, so I went to Dell.com and I look for support, product support, and I type the service tag and it tells me the right model, which is a Dell Inspiron 5555. So what I'm going to show you today is two things. It's very easy how to replace the hard drive and how to upgrade the memory RAM. If you want to do, is very simple, very easy. So I'm going to show you right now the process. I already did a few things to make the video easy. So what you do first is take the battery off. There is a little switch tab right here, so you push it and the battery comes out. So you pull it out, and then after this, that's the first step. Important to take off the battery. So you lose this screw and the one on the other side, and you see a little space right here, little gap. So you lift this. You have to pry it. So I already had it loosed, so that's why it came out easy. So over here you can see we have the two memory RAMs modules. In this case is 4 gigabytes each. Sorry about the definition, it's not the greatest font. So all you do is open these tabs simultaneously at the same time. You open it and the memory comes up like a diagonal, so you pull it the same way. So you do the same way in the other side. So I'll bring it out, just you can see how easy it is. So you look for the way it's installed and you put it in the same way. And once you put it in and line it up, you push it down and it stays there by itself. So you can buy more of this memory RAM, two models. You can upgrade until 16 gigabytes. I only have 8 right now. So this is how you upgrade your memory RAM. And over here we have the hard drive. So with the hard drive, what you do is we have a cable right here that I already disconnect. And I will show you first thing first. You lose 4 screwdrivers. I mean 4 screws, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once you got those out, you lift it. There is a little plastic tab right here. You lift the hard drive. This way. Okay. So, and you pull the connector out, which is that one right there. You just pull it out. And once you do that, you take off the 4 screws that are on a side of the caddy. So I already took off 3. So I'm just have to take off one more, and that's it. So you take pictures of how it is, and you do the same way. Like if you see the hard drive, I get it out from here like this, and you see the front is like a T. It has like a T shape. See, this is flat, but it has one of them that indicating that's the front. So you take that off, and then you place the new one in there, which is this one. So I'm going from 120 gigabytes to 1 terabyte, which is the new one. And that's it. You just do the process on reverse, put it back together, and plug it back. So what you do is once you put the other one in there, you plug back that connector. You only go one way. So your hard drive is gonna end up being upside down. And then you plug that connector, and then you put the screwdriver. So you make sure the connector is pretty well plugged before you start to put the screws back on. So it's very simple. And I hope you like the video, and if you have any question, make it. I can help you to answer it. After that, I need to install the software, but I already did a video how to install Windows in a computer, so you can refer to that video. Thanks for watching.